2, 1. Off you go, Cocoa Biscuit.
Yeah. Good afternoon, judges, ladies and gentlemen. We are Team Cocoa Biscuit, and today we are going to present for the challenge 2, which is for Godiva. And next, please. Within 24 hours, we have already built a very sustainable machine learning model, which is able to predict the future time span and the movement of the chocolate consumption of the Godiva. So I'm excited to present this to you. And today's outline will be 4 parts. I'll talk about observation, which is very important, and then the underlying force, what pushed the customer to buy chocolates. And then I will talk about the machine learning model, which is what we did in this 24 hours, and talk about how can we actually generate value, generate money out of it. Next. I think my computer is a little bit laggy because we are still training a lot of data. Okay, nice. So the observation, to know what the data is and what they can benefit our model, we build a lot of crowders that go on to crowd data that is unofficial or official or related to Godiva from all around the world. And we build a trending data pipeline, a training database to actually plot the line, and we try to fit the line into the official Godiva data provided in this competition. And we realized there's a very high correlation, 93% in Pearson correlation, which means it is not a coincidence. So we want to know how can they be so related? How can people who want to keep on searching on Google and the amount of their search on Google can actually very similar to how the amount they buy Godiva. Okay, so next, still training. Okay, nice. So actually you can see the red line is a global search frequency of Godiva, this keyword. Green line is a local search frequency of Godiva. And the blue line is actually the data provided by the competition. They are very, very correlated and similar. So based on this data, actually we can move on to the next one, which is the underlying force. Why this is look like that? So I'm going to talk about it. Okay, holidays. Holidays, weekends, events, coupon, promotion period, activities. Those are what push the customer to buy chocolate. Because if I want to buy chocolate, I need to have reason. If it's Valentine's Day, I can buy chocolate for my lovers. If it's Mother's Day, I can buy chocolate for my mothers. So it's very obvious. People, customer, if they want to purchase something, they need to have the reason. They need to have the push. So to push them, we need holidays, we need events, we need promotion coupon. And that is what Godiva used to increase its coverage of product. And next one. Yep. So go back to the same picture. You can see actually there are 3 major peaks. The first peak, November to January, we have 3 festivals, 3 holidays: Halloween, Christmas, New Year's. And the price, the chocolate consumption of the Godiva will retain for a while until Valentine's Day, which is February, the second minor peak. And the third minor peak will be Mother's Day. You can see from the blue line, so it's very obvious that in order to increase the benefit, we shouldn't keep on promoting or putting effort into the other period of time. We should focus on this because that is when people, they rush to buy chocolate, they want to buy more because they want to send to their maybe Halloween trick-or-treats, stuff like that. And so to build our model, it's a very, very high-level display of our model implementation. We built machine learning by Microsoft Azure. We run on it, and then we built a lot of Python crowder, to crowd data. So we have many data. We can analyze it, and then we can generate profit. We can mine every out of it. So basically, to talk about it from the lower level, a little bit lower, but not pretty low, we have CNN based on social engagement data. What is social engagement data? For example, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, that is the channel that Godiva used to connect with its customers. So we use CNN to draw on it, to understand the behavior of the customers, how, when they want to buy chocolate and when they don't want to buy it. And long short-term memory is actually an advanced version of recurrent neural network. So it can keep on training the data based on the time series data and string of data to get what the future of the purchase will be like. And the final thing, business value. We have observation, we know the underlying force, we have our sustainable machine learning model. How can we make benefit? How can we generate real money of it? Actually, the strategy we use to deal with it is to save cost. For digital computation, one post with 1,000 clicks on Facebook or on Twitter. On Twitter, we need $500 US. On Facebook, it's $200 US. And if we, according to your next picture, the analysis of Instagram posts, they post, Godiva posts 15 posts per month, and based on the 800,000 of user base, we need, for Twitter, we need $120 million per month. And for Facebook, it's a little bit lower. It's $48 million per month. But for Instagram, if you use hashtag to do promotion, it's nearly zero. So we save costs. Save costs is mean we generate profit out of it. And based on that, we want Godiva, by using our model, to actually involve the effort into the right time at the right people. And yes, is there any? I think that's it for today's presentation. Thank you.
Excellent.